Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, the iPhone 17 Air. Apple is taking a bold step with this model, making it the thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5 millimeters. It features a sleek titanium frame with a ceramic shield glass back, giving it both durability and a premium feel. The camera bar design is a fresh take, moving away from the traditional camera bump. Available in silver, space black blue, and the all-new sunset gold, this phone looks absolutely stunning. The iPhone 17 Air comes with a 6.6-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering a resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels and a 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. With peak brightness reaching 2000 nits, outdoor visibility is better than ever. The always-on display feature keeps important information visible without draining too much battery. Under the hood, it's powered by Apple's latest A19 Bionic chipset, built on a 3nm process for better efficiency and performance. With an upgraded neural engine, AI-driven tasks like photography, voice recognition, and app processing are significantly faster. The device is equipped with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, making multitasking seamless. Apple has also upgraded its GPU, optimizing it for gaming, rendering, and high-performance tasks. For photography, the iPhone 17 Air sports a 48MP main camera with an f1.5 aperture and sensor shift stabilization, ensuring sharp, detailed images even in low light. There's also a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. Apple has enhanced video recording capabilities with 4K 60fps HDR and an improved cinematic mode for professional quality depth of field effects. The front-facing camera is now 24MP with autofocus and night mode, ensuring sharper selfies and video calls even in low-light conditions. Battery life has always been a major concern with ultra-thin phones, but Apple has managed to maintain an impressive 20 to 22 hours of video playback. Charging options include MagSafe wireless charging up to 15W, wired fast charging via USB-C up to 30W, and for the first time, reverse wireless charging to power accessories like AirPods. On the software side, it runs on iOS 19 with new AI-powered features under the Apple Intelligence branding. Face ID has been upgraded to a more responsive under-display sensor, reducing the notch size. One of the biggest hardware changes is the introduction of a dedicated camera control button, giving users a more intuitive way to capture photos and videos. The dynamic island is now smaller and more interactive, while Apple has replaced traditional volume and power buttons with solid-state haptic buttons for a more refined experience. Connectivity-wise, the iPhone 17 Air supports the latest in network technology, with 5G mmWave and sub-6 GHz for ultra-fast data speeds, Wi-Fi 7 for enhanced internet performance, and Bluetooth 5.3 for better wireless connections. The biggest upgrade is the inclusion of a USB-C port with Thunderbolt 4 support, making data transfers and charging faster than ever. As for pricing, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to start at $899 for the 128GB model, $999 for 256GB, and $1,199 for 512GB. The official launch is expected in September 2025, with pre-orders likely opening a week after the announcement. Overall, the iPhone 17 Air is a major step forward in Apple's smartphone design, offering a stunningly slim form factor without sacrificing power, camera quality, or battery life. It's perfect for those who want a sleek and modern device with top-tier performance. What do you think about the iPhone 17 Air? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next video.